What's up, my friend? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the maker of Meathead, and today we're going to talk about being uncommon. All right, welcome back. So I saw a video the other day, and it kind of inspired me to shoot this one. And the guy was kind of talking about like not being like the common people and whatnot, and as far as what we're doing in the entrepreneurial world. And it got me kind of thinking like it'd be a good video this time of year, kind of the first of the year. It's right now it's January 7th. I'm filming this. It's going to release sometime this week. But it was funny because I was looking at on my Facebook feed. I look at it a lot of times for ads and whatnot. But occasionally I do look at it to see some of my friends and whatnot, what they're doing. But it does suck you in. So that's part of the whole uncommon thing, that most people are on Facebook, going on to the social media to, enjoy themselves, pass time, whatever. And, as a marketer, I'm on there looking at ads and trying to figure out things that can possibly make me more money and whatnot. And I ran across one of these girls that I'm friends with, and she's been, trying to start her own business and, talking all this stuff, talking about starting her own YouTube channel and talking about, an e-com store and all this stuff. And, I encouraged her. Honestly, I think it's a good thing if she wants to go down that road. It's a lot of work. I can tell you right now, it's a tough path, and it's not going to be easy for someone. I know she's got a kid and whatnot, and it's tough. But I was looking at her Facebook feed, and she had posted something about a TV show that's coming on tonight. Now, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with watching a movie or getting into a Netflix series or watching a TV series, but it's like one of those things that, like, when you're trying to be an entrepreneur and trying to grow a business and trying to start a YouTube channel, you kind of got to cut some things out. Okay, you got to be uncommon. You just can't do that kind of stuff and expect to move yourself and your business forward. I haven't had a TV downstairs at my house in almost 2 years. My old TV broke. My ex-girlfriend moved out, and I actually just never replaced it. So, and I haven't missed it. Honestly, I don't need a TV. Every once in a while, when I want to catch a sporting event or something, I have a stream service that it's free, that I found, and I can pretty much stream any football game or any game that I want on my computer here and watch it while I'm getting work done. So I just haven't needed it. Yeah, it's uncommon to not have a TV in my living room, but it's just not necessary for what I do. So kind of a short video today, but I definitely wanted to talk about that and just start looking at things like the patterns of people that are common, people that have just a 9-to-5 jobs that are happy just getting their paycheck. And if you want to become an entrepreneur and you're watching this video, more than likely you do, you need to start doing things a little bit differently than the common folk. And cut out the TV, cut out the video games, and spend your time at night working on your business and building your YouTube channel, building your personal brand, building your Shopify store, building your ads and whatnot up. That's the kind of stuff that you need to do as an entrepreneur to be successful in this world. And you got to be uncommon. So that's the theme of this video. And happy 2019. Let's go crush this year. I am the Marketing Meathead. If you did learn something today, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a like on the video, bang that notifications bell, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.